This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must act fast. Turn the Oppo F29 Pro 5G off now to cut power and reduce short risk. Once off, remove the SIM tray and any memory card so moisture won't damage contacts. Make sure to blot external water with a lint-free cloth. Do not blow warm air into the device or shake it, because that spreads liquid internally. If a case is on, take it off. These first steps limit corrosion and prepare the phone for deeper drying. Next, focus on removing internal moisture. Place the phone in a sealable container with silica gel packets or a commercial desiccant for 24 to 48 hours, because desiccants absorb humidity more safely than rice. Once placed, position the Oppo face-up at a slight angle so trapped water can migrate away from critical ports. Make sure airflow is gentle. A fan is okay, but avoid heat sources above body temperature that can warp adhesive or damage components. This drying stage prevents long-term corrosion. After a full dry period, you can reinsert the SIM and power the device on to test basic functions like screen, touch, cameras, microphones, and charging. If everything works, monitor battery and connectivity for 48 hours. Intermittent faults can appear as corrosion develops. If you see erratic behavior, no boot or charging problems, make sure to stop using the phone and take it to an authorized repair center, because internal cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.